Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, like, view some of my videos and like as well. As you can see, I made a video on altcoins. I'm also going to be making a video on more of this. Please just show some love and like and subscribe. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color, your background color, how to change your system color to dark mode. What are you going to do? You click on Windows, the Windows button. You click on your Windows, the start button here, start button. Now you go to settings. Now when you go to settings, go to personalization and click on colors. You click on colors. Yeah, my system is on dark mode. I can also change it to light mode if I want to, but I prefer the dark mode. So I'll leave it on the dark mode. So, and here are the colors here. As you can see, where you know the colors of your buttons and all that is where your system is. And you can change it to pink and regulate it by watching the colors of here now, where it's transparency effect, windows and surfaces appear translucent. Yeah, but I'm going to leave it on blue. So this is a slight overview of how to change your system colors and all that.